Hello everybody, in this video I'll be unboxing this Xu1 18V impact driver and also a dual drop. So let's get started. You notice that it comes with two batteries. So it's got 12 months warranty. So let's open it up. See what's inside. Got the instructions here. Says hammer drill. We've got two pieces, two manuals here: impact driver, hammer drill, and the batteries. Okay, so this is the 18V charger. Standard charger. Let's click here. What's this tag for? It says just need help. This product is intended for DIY use only. Alrighty. Okay, let's move this to the side. So this one feels heavy. Let's have a look here. Okay. Nothing else in the box. It feels something. There's a clip here. Probably need to screw that in to the side. Okay, so this is the hammer drill. Brushless. Feels pretty heavy. Show me this clips on the side here. So that's the hammer drill. Okay, so this is the impact driver. Key. It's got a little clip there as well. Not sure whether I'm going to put that on or not. Okay, so here's the other one. So there's two. Really easy to use. Going. Okay, so that's the second one. Okay, let's try the batteries and see whether it works. Always good to test it. Okay. There's no indicator. Oh, yep, there is indicator light. So it's halfway. Push it in. Alrighty, it's got the LED light here too. Doesn't have an option to change the speed. So it's only got one speed on the impact driver. Doesn't feel that powerful. Alright, let's try the other battery. Alrighty, click this in. Sounds a bit weird. Got the hammer drill. Okay. Alright, so there you go. Those are the two drills, two batteries. I'll try it out. I'll see you next time.